Hello, this is Johnny from SkyCiv. Today I'll be showing you how to use the Move tools in our new software CloudCAD. The most basic way to move an object is by selecting it and simply dragging it across the canvas. For more control, head up to the top toolbar where you'll find the movement tools. Here you can see all the default shortcuts for these tools. However, you can customize them at any time in the Shortcuts tab. Starting with Relative Move, highlight the object you want to move. Then activate Relative Move from either the toolbar or by pressing M. Then click a point on the canvas to begin. You can then move the object freely or enter exact X and Y values for more precise control. Next is Rotate. Highlight the object you want to rotate. Then activate the tool from the toolbar or press Ctrl R. Click to set your rotation point. Then either drag to rotate the object or enter a specific angle. Finally, we have Mirror. Start by selecting your object, then activate the Mirror tool or press MI. Click to define the start of your mirror line, then select the endpoint to complete the mirror. This will create a mirrored copy of your geometry across that line, and that's how you use the Move tools in CloudCAD.